To say that you don't have self-doubt would not be correct, right? So when you have something like that, when you doubt yourself, or when you feel that, hey, you know what, am I as good? And do you feel that? And if so, then how do you sort of then recondition, or what do you tell to yourself to get back to this zone of like, hey, you know what, I'm already doing a lot of stuff, and this is who I am meant to be.
What do you mean by self-doubt? Is it like insecurity if I'm above that person, or if I will be able to do that thing or
If
not?
I'll be able to do it or not, more on like doubting your own.
I think that's the most stupid question you can ask. Because like our mind works on questions. I think whatever we can think in this brain is possible. Like this brain is wired in a way that you cannot think what is not possible. Like let's take for example a dog. A dog cannot think of starting a business because his brain is wired in such a way. And same for an elephant. An elephant can't think about flying.
True.
Because he is wired in such a way. If I can have a thought, whatever thought I can have, maybe going to the solar system, putting everything on fire, putting Mars on fire, let's say invading the solar system, or traveling in time, all of this is possible. We haven't just done it yet. Whatever was possible, flying for a human being was not possible physically, but we built planes. So everything that we can think of is possible. So I never think if I can do it or not. I just assume I can do it. I just ask my brain the question how it can be done. That is the only question I ask. I never ask myself if I can do it or not. I just ask myself how can I do it. And my brain just gives me answers. And that is how it has always been. Whatever the biggest question that I ask my brain, it gives me. If I ask my brain the question, can I do it or can I not? The answer is yes or no, and you would spend a lot of time thinking about it. And what if the answer is yes? What if the answer is no? It doesn't even matter. Like the process is the fun part. Maybe I might not be able to do it, but in the process of trying to reach that goal, I'll do so many more amazing things. So if I aim towards, let's say, if I ask my brain the question, can I go to the solar system and time travel? The answer might be no. But if I try doing that, if I try day in, day out trying to time travel and go to Mars, I might figure out some other business ventures that might make me $100 billion. So I don't think anybody should ever ask themselves if they can do it or not. They should just assume they can do it and just do it.